What's up, you guys? It's the daddy with the caddy, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Look at me, sounding like a real YouTuber. It's coming naturally to me now. Alright, well, today I'm gonna be telling you guys and showing you how I ended up replacing the engine mounts on my 1990 Cadillac DeVille. I'm over here saying welcome back with only like 50 or 100 views. So this video should only be used as a guide, since your situation might require you to take a different approach, and also I wasn't able to record enough video footage to give you guys step-by-step instructions. So the engine mounts are made out of rubber, which is a material that's prone to wear over time. Worn out engine mount will lead to clunk and banging noises coming from the engine bay. You would also feel like a thump while the transmission is shifting gears. The most common symptom on a worn out engine mount is vibration coming from the motor while your vehicle is in use, while you're using your vehicle. I'm going through all those symptoms, so I was like, hey, let's replace the engine mounts. So let's get to it. Have the parking brake on. Lift the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. Starting with the left front driver's side transmission mount, I removed the center 15mm mounting nut. I was able to reach in with a long slim ratchet and a socket. I supported the engine and transmission with a wood block and a floor jack. This method is not recommended, as it can damage and bend the trans and oil pan if you're not careful. You're supposed to use an engine hoist, but I live a dangerous lifestyle. Remove the three 15mm mounting bracket bolts. Remove the nuts securing the mount to the frame. I then use the jack to lift the engine and remove them. This mount didn't really look that bad, besides it kind of shifted down, but I was like, it's already out, might as well install a new one. The front right driver's side engine mount, remove 3 bracket bolts, 2 engine mount nuts, and the center mount nut. Start removing this one first. Alright, this engine mount definitely needed to be replaced. The front center stud was broken, and apparently I had Bluetooth engine mounts in the caddy. The front right passenger side engine mount. I took one look at this mount and I realized that I might have to remove the AC compressor, the AC hoses, and probably the radiator hose. And you know what? I decided that visually it looks fine. It looks good to me. I did check the nuts and they were a little loose, so I make sure to tighten them. And I'll get back to this mount another time. The rear right passenger side transmission mount, the nuts and bolts were completely loose. I removed them and installed a new mount. Alright, if y'all found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, you guys. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this Cadillac the way I wanted before 4th of July. I mean, Cinco de Mayo. Same thing, bro. We get drunk, we celebrate. Anyways, yeah, we'll see if I end up actually getting it ready before 4th of July. Because that would be the next event. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Like.